Are you ready for the media revolution? What if you and your customers could get paid for every advertisement you see? It doesn't matter if you are watching TV, playing a video game, or streaming a movie. With the @Media box, you can get paid every time you turn on the television. Welcome to the revolution of advertising. Soon, you will be able to get paid for every ad you watch. So, how will it work? All you will have to do is connect your TV and your devices, for example, your gaming console, to the @Media box and select your favorite streaming providers. Thanks to the MyWorld partnership, you will get cashback and shopping points for every ad you see. And then just do what you usually do. Play a game, watch TV, or stream a movie. If you are interested in the ad shown, simply switch to the split screen mode and you will get even more cashback and shopping points. But that's not all. With your linked MyWorld profile, you can also buy the product with just one more click. And all these ads are completely customizable. You decide which ads you want to see and how often you want to watch them. The perfect fit for every customer. And the revolution continues. This brand new opportunity will be a complete game changer for all advertisers. With the @Media box, you as a merchant can use the power of TV to promote your business to your selected target group. Whether locally, countrywide, or globally, it will be your decision. It doesn't matter if you're an international brand or a local merchant. Your ad will be visible at the right time and to the right audience. And you will only pay when the ad is seen. That's the media revolution. Small budget, big impact. So get ready for the future of advertising.